With no effort. With no effort. With no effort.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me using the Morphe Glam palette. So as you can see, I chose the first color and I'm just going to apply that on my lid so I can set my primer, and then I'm going to start, doing my eyeshadow. And I'm using the P. Louise eye base. Next, I'm going to be using that pink shade. I'm just putting that above my crease. I'm going to blend it in and, make it as vibrant as possible. And yeah, we're going to see how it looks. Okay, it's looking good. Next, I'm going to go in with this purple shade. I'm going to put that into my crease, and yeah, it's a speed through. So I'm going to put that in there and, get it to look right. So as you can see, I packed it on there. Now I'm just blending out the edges so everything can flow. Next, I'm going in with that purple shade, just packing it in on the edges. So yes, after that I'm going to blend out the edges after I darken it up with that purple shade. And next is the speed through. I am cutting my crease. And I'm trying to get that line to be as straight as possible. And I'm also getting it to be, I'm getting the cream to be, smooth. And by the way, that is foundation that I'm using to cut my crease. It works so good. I love Ulta products when it comes to my eyes. That foundation works so well when it comes to cutting my crease. Plus it's cheap and it lasts for a long time. Next, I'm going in with that glitter, and I'm using a glitter primer. I'm just slowly, packing it on, taking my time. Even though it's a speed through, and it appears that I'm, going at it quickly. But yeah, I'm taking my time. Next, I'm going in with that dark purple and I'm mixing it with a black. I'm trying to blend the glitter in with the rest of the lid. So I'm just, going at it, darkening it up with black first to give it like a fade illusion to it. And then I'm going over it again with that purple to make it look as if it's blending into that purple. So as you can see, I did the job. Next is the speed through. I'm about to, line these eyes up with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I love that eyeliner. I think it's only like $2. You can buy that like anywhere, and I really like it. Sometimes I do wish I had like a good gel eyeliner, but this one does the job. And next I threw my eyelashes on. I'm popping. And next is my speed through. I'm just doing my face, putting on my primer by Tarte. Next, I'm just blending out those brows. I'm trying to do like different ways how to not mess up my brows when I'm doing my makeup, because I like to do my brows and eyeshadow first. So this worked for me. So yeah, as you can see, I made the face and all that. Now I'm just trying to pump that foundation on my face. It's giving me a hard time, so I just went ahead and just wiped it on my face. And blend. And that is the CoverGirl foundation. That is in the color Soft Sable, and it matches me like really good. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my favorite beauty blender, the black one. Get those corners. Next, I'm gonna use my, oh, this is my favorite. This is the Milani. This is their new concealer. I love it. It's thick. I love the texture of it. I love how it feels on my eyes. I love the color. It's just perfect for me. And oh, I'm not talking right. It's just perfect for me, and it's only $10. Only $10, and it has such great qualities to it. I really love it. And I also like Milani's foundation, but the problem is that it does not stay matte on me all day. So I had to switch back, you know, revert back to my CoverGirl because it is everlasting. So yeah, that is what I did. So yes, I'm in a process just snatching away. Contour, highlight. Yes. About to snatch this nose real quick. And contouring your nose, oh my god, it is so hard to do. But once you get it down packed, it's like a joy. So that takes me about like 15 minutes just to snatch this nose. And it was snatched in this video, so I was like shook. But you know, it took me a hot second. I think it depends on the brushes that you use to give it that natural, non-broken type look. Because you can easily make your nose look broken real quick. Which I never had a broken nose, but when you don't contour it right, yeah, it will look like it's broken instead of snatched to the gods. But look, y'all, it is snatched to the gods. Okay, so now I'm just beating that face, trying to get it snatched. And next I'm doing my Black Radiance face contour, and I'm trying to dance too. So I love contouring and highlight. I love how I can bring definition and lightness to my face. It's like art. So I did my other stuff off camera, and yeah. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Lime Green. So I just got done filming, well, doing this makeup. Oh my goodness, I'm already messing up. So I just got done doing this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy my get ready, even though I'm going like straight to bed after I wipe this off. It's like 10:30. So I'm doing the Morphe. Again, you're gonna see that in the title. This is the Such a Glam 39S. This is the palette. And this is the beautiful colors. So I know it's a tons of reviews out on this, but I just had to film a video on this palette. This palette is bomb.com. I've been wanting to have an all huge, all pink bomb.com, I mean, a poppin.com palette. And I'm so happy that I have one. And oh my god, like I'm so excited because I have been using this palette. As you can see, a lot of the shades have been dug into. I had this palette for about probably I think a month or so. I think a month. Yeah, I think a good month. And I have been using this palette a couple of times. I will insert some photos at the end of this video, so stay tuned to that. And the colors on this palette, blends very well. Like I really love that it blends well and that each color is compatible with each other. Do I have any fallout? I don't have much fallout at all, just a little bit, only because when I pick up the colors, sometimes I pick up too much, but that's the only time I have fallout. The colors blend so nice. The shimmers in this palette are so gorgeous. They come on so soft. With this gold shade, I wasn't sure if it was going to come on without a glitter primer, so I went ahead and used it without, you know, testing it without it. I don't want to mess up this look. It took me a long time to blend it out and all that good jazzy stuff. And I hope you guys like my wig. I just put on anything just to, you know, to finish out this video. I cannot find any black synthetics. All I got around my beauty room is just human hair wigs. So yeah, I've been going through a human hair wig phase. So again, this is the look. I will have pictures at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you was to get this palette, you will not be disappointed. This palette is so gorgeous. This is such a Barbie glam palette, and I highly recommend. So if you guys have any questions, and also if you're interested in this wig and a link on the review and the purchase, look in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.